Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share what the new digital files are this week. So we did more arrows. So a couple weeks ago we did arrows and we had different sizes, and then we had some that had words. And I said to my son, it would be fun to have this size, the whole sheet, and so that we could have more words. But not only that, I noticed that the words were all pointing this way. We can't flip it over because then the words are upside down. The rest of the arrows, you can use whatever direction you want. But with the ones with the words, you know, it's kind of directionally, if you flip it over, then your word's upside down. So that's what we did. So we have half the sheet going this way and half the sheet going that way. So we have 5 rows going this way and 5 rows going that way. And it's the exact same words, and they're just in different colors. So again, we have them in all our colors that we offer. But also this week, there's going to be the black font or black text. And then there's also the white text. And I find it really makes it different, like just between the white text and the black text. So let's just go over some of the colors. So again, we have our collections, we'll call them. So you have Summer Carnival, Season Spices, and then you have Radiant Rainbow. Then you have Pastel Paradise. And then you have Apples and Oranges. And then you have Cozy Cafe. Again, that's just my favorite. And I printed also in the white text. So the same ones in the white text. So the same ones in the white text. Plus we have a range of colors, like that the full sheet is one color. So we have like green 1 and green 2, and we have those again in the white text and in the black text. I just haven't printed off all the black text yet, but I'll just show you some of the white text. So we have the pink 1 and pink 2. There's brown 1 and brown 2. I really like how that stands out. Then we have turquoise 1 and 2, blue, there's 1 and 2, green, peach, dark orange, bright orange. So in all our colors comes these arrows. Now I want to read to you some of the words that are within this. So there's memories, discover, adventure, camping, hike, vacation. We have girl and boy, my peeps, moments, captured, sweet, beautiful, vacay, oh snap, enjoy, friend, explore, cute, staycation, then, home, summer, stories, good times, remember, candid, now, journey, s'mores, sunshine, splash, magic, outdoors, and nature. So that is up here, and the same words are down here, except the arrows are pointing this way. So that's the release for this week, are these arrows. And again, these are digital files. You can print them on cardstock, or you can print them on sticker paper. And I even printed these on vellum. Now I have to say, I don't know what happened, but just the dark brown didn't come out. And I mean, I thought maybe it was just there, but the dark brown here too, it kind of smudged. So I'm not sure. I'm going to try it again. But all the other colors really print it really nicely. So I'm not sure why the brown bled so bad, but I can use all the other ones. So just by changing the medium of what you print these on, you can make different embellishments for your scrapbooking. And where it's digital, you can print it over and over and over again. But that's it. That is the release for this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.